Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about questions to be determined by the court executing the decree. All questions arising between the parties to the suit in which the decree was passed or their representatives and relating to the execution, discharge or satisfaction of the decree shall be determined by the court executing the decree and not by a separate suit. Section 47 of Civil Procedure Code 1908. For the purpose of Section 47, a plaintiff whose suit has been dismissed, a defendant against whom a suit has been dismissed, and a purchaser at a sale in execution of the decree are parties to the suit. Under Section 47, the question whether a certain person is a representative of one of the parties to the execution case or not is a question which has to be decided by the executing court, and such a decision is appealable under the provisions of the code. This section has been enacted for the beneficial purpose of checking needless litigation. It provides a cheap and speedy remedy by empowering the court executing a decree to determine all questions arising between the parties to the suit relating to the execution, discharge or satisfaction of the decree. Two things are to be noted. The questions in respect of which a separate suit is barred must be questions relating to the execution, discharge or satisfaction of the decree, and the parties between whom the questions arise must be the parties to the suit in which the decree was passed or their representatives. Thus, when a decree holder takes in execution a property not included in the decree, the judgment debtor has to proceed by an application under Section 47 of the Code for recovery of such a property, and a separate suit for the purpose will not lie. If, however, a judgment debtor or his legal representative objects to the execution of a decree on the ground that the decree is not valid, the question as to the validity of the decree is not one relating to the execution, discharge or satisfaction of the decree, and cannot therefore be tried in execution proceedings under Section 47. Such a question can only be tried in a regular suit brought for the purpose. The rule is that the executing court cannot question the validity of a decree. All that it has to do is to take the decree as it stands. It has no power to go behind it. Thank you.